Hello guys, this is Andrew Johnson with DIY Project Pro. Thank you for tuning in again today. I wanted to show you a product that I really love and feel like it is just a wonderful product for anybody's home. It's a hot water recirculating system. It gives you hot water basically anywhere in the house almost instantaneously. It basically pushes hot water to the far end, recirculates it, and just keeps the water moving, so you don't have to wait on the hot water when you go to turn on the hot water nozzle inside of your actual bathroom or kitchen. It's really fantastic. I highly suggest it. The product is right back here. This is the actual pump itself. It's a very small pump. It fits on your hot water tank and basically takes the hot water from here, pushes it to the far end of the house and throughout the house, so you have instant hot water. It's just absolutely fantastic. It's very cost effective. You do need to have an electrical circuit that's fairly close by. I'll showcase that for you here in just a few minutes. If you don't, you need to hire an electrician to install you one. So, again, any plumber can install this for you. It's just, again, a wonderful product for you. Close up of the product. This is a Watts circulation pump, and you'll see the name of it there. I'll give you all the details on it. It runs off 110. It is actually plugged into the wall. Right over here, we put a circuit in for it, and it's really just absolutely fantastic. Also has a timer on it. You can set the timer for certain times of the day when you're awake or not, or you can leave it on full time and just let it run. It doesn't use much energy at all. We pretty much leave this one on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it just does a wonderful job. Okay, we're now in the kitchen area. Where the recirculating piece, the recirculating valve is actually installed. You'll see it in the back of the kitchen sink. It is the black item that has the two hoses actually attached to it. And that's all it takes, is that piece installed on the plumbing at the far end of the home, and it recirculates the water all the way to the far end and throughout the house. This device not only saves you a ton of time waiting on the water. It's not only a convenience item, but it also saves thousands and thousands of gallons of water over a period of basically months and years because you're not waiting on that water to warm up. You're not letting those gallons just run down the drain. So let me demonstrate to you how quickly this water gets warm. Here's the kitchen sink that I just demonstrated to you underneath, where you saw the actual valve. And this is actually turned on to the hot water side. Let me show you how quickly this water actually gets warm. I'm going to turn it on, and it literally comes on warm, and right now it's extremely warm. It took literally less than about 2 to 3 seconds for it to get warm, and just that quickly it's hot and ready to go. This device is really one of my favorite features to my home, and it's really an incredible thing that I would suggest everybody get installed. It's not very expensive. I'm going to put the pricing, everything else in the description. And again, just hire you a good plumber, licensed plumber to come in, an electrician if you need a circuit, a 110 circuit, and literally they can have it all done in one day. So it's just an amazing product. I highly suggest it, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, like the content, subscribe, give us a like, and share our information. I do appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and talk to you soon. Take care.